Hello everyone, welcome to RB Study Corner. So today again we are together come into this video with a part 3. We've already completed part 1 and part 2, so you must watch this video before watching this video. So this is the third part of the video which is regarding my current affairs. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. So today we start with question number 21. I have already completed 20 questions. Consider the following statements regarding drug 2-deoxy-D-glucose or 2DG. Here the first statement is it is developed by AIMS, and the second statement is it accumulates in the virus infected cells and prevents virus growth by stopping viral synthesis and energy production. Here the options are only one is correct, only 2 is correct, both 1 and 2 correct, or neither 1 nor 2. Before giving the answer, it's a very simple way you have to find out the answers just following the elimination process. If you know the first statement is not correct or the first statement is incorrect, just because 2-deoxy-D-glucose is not developed by AIMS, it's developed by DRDO. If you're getting this point, so you have to eliminate where you can see the only one. Just eliminate option A, and you have to again also eliminate option C and option D also. You have to remain only one options. It's a option B, and that is the correct answer of this question. Long March 5B rocket recently seen in news was launched by which of the following country? Here it's a straightforward question. You have to find out the country. Okay, the first option is Japan, second is Russia, third is India, and the fourth is China. Which one is the correct? Here the correct answer is option D. It's China. Global Innovation Partnership is launched through MOU between India and which of the following country? Here the options are USA, Israel, Russia, and UK. The Global Innovation Partnership which are launched between two countries, India and the other one is what? Have to guess the answer. Yes, the correct answer is UK, United Kingdom. Let's see the next question. Which of the following is most recent sovereign country? Option A is Somalia, option B is Libya, option C is South Sudan, option D is Sudan. The only one is here option C. South Sudan is a sovereign country. Let's see the next question. Consider the following statements. It's a statement based question. The first statement is alignment is a linear feature in a landscape dictated by an underlying geological structure such as a fault. And the second statement is the Northeast India is demarcated as seismic zone 5, which indicates a zone with low vulnerability. Which of the above is correct? Option 1 only, option 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Then which one is the correct answer? Again the correct answer is only 1. That means option A is the correct answer. Which of the following major vaccines being used in the world against COVID-19 are the only ones that use inactivated virus? Here the options are option 1 is Sinopharm, option 2 is Covaxin, option 3 is Sinovac, and option 4 is Covishield. Select the correct code. I hope you have to select the correct answer just because it's a very simple question. Option A is 1 and 2 only, option B is 2 and 4 only, option C 1, 2 and 4 only, and option D is 1, 2 and 3 only. Which one is the correct? The correct answer is option D. It's a 1, 2 and 4. That means Sinopharm, Covaxin and Covishield. Mucormycosis recently seen in news is caused by which of the following? Option A is fungi, option B is bacteria, option C is virus, option D is protozoa. Which one is the correct? All you know the correct is option A. It's a fungi. The correct answer is option A. it's caused by a fungi. You know what is mucormycosis? Mucormycosis, also known as a black disease. Here the question is, where is Galathea Bay located? So you have to give in the answer. It's in Philippines, Japan, India and China. Which one is the correct? The correct answer is option C. It's India. Galathea Bay is located in India. Option C is the correct answer. Consider the following statements regarding Advanced Chemistry Cell or ACC. The first statement is ACCs are the new generation of advanced storage technologies that can store electric energy either as electromechanical or as chemical energy. Option 2 or statement 2 is implementation of the Production Linked Incentive PLI scheme, National Program on Advanced Chemistry Cell battery storage was recently approved. Here the options are 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2 and neither 1 nor 2. Then which one is the correct answer? Here the correct answer is option C. Both 1 and 2 statement are correct. See the next and the last question of this video. Hill station of Mussoorie is situated in the foothills of which of the following mountain range? Here the options are option A is Garhwal Himalayan range, option B is Aravalli range, option C Kaimur range and option D is Maikal range. Then which one is the correct answer? I hope you guessed the answer just because it's a very simple question and getting the answer is option A is the correct answer. It's a Garhwal Himalayan range. So today's video is completed. We all completed the 3 part of this video. So see you again in the next video. Have a good day.